Hey guys, in today's video we're going to check out one of the best coffee maker. This Cuisinart DCC-1200 Coffee Maker is based on the results of years of research. In this video, we will measure its price, design, features and most importantly its quality. If you're looking for a coffee maker with affordable prices, then we have the right product for you with reasonable prices. Do check the link in the description below. Without any further delay, let's start. The Cuisinart DCC-1200 Brew Central 12-cup programmable coffee maker makes a bold statement in any kitchen with a brushed metal finish and elegant tech industrial design. Programmable from start to finish, with a variable heater plate for temperature control, the Brew Central 12-cup programmable coffee maker delivers on every front. With a convenient dripless carafe spout, brew pause feature, and alert for when it is time to decalcify, Cuisinart makes great tasting coffee convenient for your busy lifestyle. Cord storage. Classic brushed metal design with a 12-cup carafe with ergonomic handle for comfortable, dripless pouring. Brew pause feature lets you enjoy a cup of coffee before brewing has finished. Adjustable heater plate, low, medium, high, ensures that your coffee stays at the temperature you like best. 24-hour advanced brew start. Programmable auto shutoff from 0 to 4 hours plus a 1 to 4 cup feature when making less than 5 cups. Includes charcoal water filter and permanent gold tone filter that ensures only the freshest coffee flavor flows through. Measuring scoop. Instruction book. Features. Product built to North American electrical standards. Charcoal water filter, removes impurities. Classic stainless design 12-cup carafe with ergonomic handle, dripless spout and knuckle guard. Brew pause feature lets you enjoy a cup of coffee before brewing has finished. Adjustable keep warm temperature control 24-hour brew programming. Time to clean monitor with indicator light. Programmable automatic shutoff 0 to 4 hours 1 to 4 cup feature. Cord storage. Charcoal water filter, removes impurities. Gold tone filter and measuring scoop, number 4 paper coffee filter starter kit. The coffee has good full flavor and is hot. Cleaning is simple. The filter basket, filter, pot and lid can go on the top rack of your dishwasher or hand-washed with warm soapy water. There is a self-cleaning feature. The flashing clean light tells you when it's time to clean the coffee maker by pouring a vinegar/water solution in the tank. Remember to remove the charcoal filter before cleaning the machine. Final verdict. Overall, the Cuisinart DCC-1200 is a solid coffee maker. It looks great and brews a good cup of coffee. For the design and features that it offers, it's also reasonably priced. I hope you found this review useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get updates and information on the trending products. Your feedback is important to us. In the comment box, you can let us know what else we can add for you regarding coffee maker. Which product interests you, and get updates, features, and details about it.